Here's another really awesome tool that I put inside the manual section here in the product search tool. If you click this content button, what you do here is if you put any content in here that contains Etsy product links, it will extract it for you. Now, let me show you how useful this can be. So let's go ahead and just take a look at, let's say for example, you're just on Etsy, right? And you're doing your searches or in some sort of place where you want to see all of the data extracted for all these products. Well, what you can do is you can actually just right click, view source, and you can do this in any web browser, right click or select all. Control A is select all, so you can select all the content in here. Now you can go right click and copy. Sorry, my computer's being a little bit on the slow side right now. Copy. Now you come back over here and you can click the paste button and all that data is in here. Now I can tell Craft Inspector to extract all the product links from there. And boom, it found 64 product links, and we can go ahead and extract the data for everything we saw on that Etsy page. Pretty awesome, right? But let me show you another thing that's really cool. Let's go back here and let's just close some of the pages out here because it's getting kind of crowded. And let's just go to Google and let's use the power of Google, because Google is obviously one of the most powerful search engines in the world. And what you can do is you can use Google to find products. So check this out. If you use a special search parameter, type the word site, S-I-T-E, a colon, and then type in etsy.com/listing and slash. Now let's type a space, and inside of double quotes, let's add our seed keyword. So let's say we're looking at products to do with fishing. That's our particular niche. Hit enter, and now Google, what it's doing, it's returning all of the products it found on Etsy that contain this in the actual link. So I know that if it contains /listing, it's actually a product listing. And it only has to do with fishing. Now, when you put double quotes around a word in Google, you're telling Google, I only want to see results that actually contain the word fishing. And if it doesn't contain fishing, I don't want to see it. So these are a crazy amount of products. Look at all that. Google, I have my Google account set to show 200 results at a time. I believe you can do that in your settings somewhere. I can't remember offhand how to do it. But anyhow, you go in here and do the same thing. You can right click, view page source, and then Control A to select all, right click and copy. Go back over here. So I'm just going to clear everything out here, clear everything out, content, clear everything out. And you can right click and paste, or again, hit the paste button and now extract links. And boom, it just found 100 products in there. Now go ahead and extract. And what we're doing now is we're actually extracting all the product data for products that are showing number 1 in Google for that search. And remember, we were searching specific for fishing and only for product listings on Etsy. So this gives you another way to really dial in your research to uncover those products that you probably would have never found just using Etsy or some other search engine. But this is what sets Craft Inspector apart from other tools like this on the internet. In fact, I don't think I've seen any other tool online yet to this day of recording this video that can do this type of thing. So again, you get all of that awesome data that you can generate from the categories in Etsy search, but you can get your links from anywhere you want, as long as that data that you put in here into the extractor tool, as long as it contains Etsy product links, it will get it out for you, and then you can go ahead and generate that massive amount of data for this particular, for all those products it finds. Pretty awesome.